Hi, you all just finished a U-Try where you got to solve a system of equations by the elimination method. So let's see how it went. So the equations that I gave you were 3x minus 2y equals 0 and 9x plus 8y equals 7. So first thing I notice is that nothing matches up quite yet. So how about we eliminate the y's since one's negative and one's positive. So with 8 and 2, my least common multiple would be 8. So I'm going to try to get 8s so they match up nicely. So I'll multiply the first equation, both sides, by 4. So 3x times 4 is 12x. Negative 2y times 4 is negative 8. And 0 times 4 is 0. I'm not doing anything to the bottom equation, so it's just going to stay like it is. 9x plus 8y equals 7. Alright, from here, if I add the equations together, my y's are going to cancel out really nicely. With my x's, 12 plus 9 is 21, so I'll have 21x equals 7. When I divide both sides by 21, we'll get x is 7 over 21, which simplifies to 1/3. Sorry about giving you guys fractions, but they're numbers too, and they're wonderful. So when I have x is 1/3, I'm not quite done. I do need to solve for y. Luckily, by the x, there's a 3 and a 9, so it's going to simplify out pretty nicely. So let's see. How about we use the first equation? When I have 3x minus 2y equals 0, if I substitute that 1/3 in for x, I'll have 3 times 1/3 minus 2y equals 0. So 3 times 1/3, that's 3 over 1 times 1/3, so it's 3 over 3, which would just be 1. So I've got 1 minus 2y equals 0. I'll subtract 1 from both sides just to get my y by itself. So I'll have negative 2y equals negative 1. And then divide both sides by negative 2 to solve for y. So negative 1 over negative 2, that simplifies to a half. So another fraction. But again, fractions are numbers too. They are part of our solutions, they're part of our number sets. There's something to certainly get used to. So our solution at the end of all of this, x is 1/3 and y is 1/2. Okay? And that's the solution to this system of equations.